Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ananya, for those of you who are new here. So if you have been following me on my YouTube or Instagram for a while now, you would know that I make a ton of skincare videos and I barely make any hair care video. And that's because I got pretty lucky with my skin, and that's not the same case with my hair. I have faced almost all hair issues and my hair is just weird. My scalp is extremely oily. Like, you could see the oils in my scalp. That's how oily my scalp is. And my hair is dry, like legit frizzy. My hair is super dry and my scalp is oily, so it is almost impossible to find products that would suit my hair type. So yeah, dull hair, dry hair, damaged hair, a lot of people face these issues these days, and it has become so common. It's probably the pollution or the food we eat, I don't know, but yeah, it could also be the products we use. So I wanted to find hair care products that could tackle, most of my hair care issues from a good hair care brand. So I've been using a few products from a particular brand for 2 weeks now, and I genuinely love it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So it is a newly launched Naked and Raw Coffee hair care range from MCaffeine. So this range contains an oil, scrub and a shampoo, and all of this is coffee based. So like most of you, I was a little skeptical because I have never used coffee on my hair before. I've used coffee on my body, but that's about it. I've also used MCaffeine's body scrub before, and I absolutely love it, and that's one of the reasons why I went for this brand without any doubt. So MCaffeine is the first brand to bring coffee, skincare and hair care products to India, which is really nice. And also, if you guys are wondering, MCaffeine is PETA certified and cruelty free, which is really nice. I mean, I wouldn't want an animal to die for me to shampoo my hair and to grow my hair. That's just cruel. So yeah, that is really impressive. And also their products are paraben and SLS free, which also does matter to me because my hair is so sensitive and delicate. If I'm going to use something a little harsh on my hair is just gonna fall off and there is no stopping it. So I was not even concerned about that before using these products because it checked a lot of boxes for me. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna use these products and see if it actually, helps my hair. So I'm gonna be reviewing these products in this video for you guys, and you can decide for yourself if this is for you or not. So yeah, let's get started. There will never be another after you. You're the only one that matters. Okay guys, so let's start off with the first product. This is MCaffeine's coffee, scalp and hair oil. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle, which makes it really easy to carry around and it's not gonna break and all of that. And also it comes in a dark, container. So this way, even if this product is exposed to sunlight, it's not going to ruin the oil inside, which is amazing. I mean, don't put the product under sunlight, but even if a little bit of sunlight hits the product, it's not going to do anything to the product inside. And oh my god, I just cannot get enough of the fragrance. It's so good. And also the best thing about this oil is that it's non-sticky and lightweight. So firstly, I'm gonna take a little bit of this oil into my palms and rub it into your palms and then massage it in your scalp. Like, I'm focusing on my scalp and the length of my hair as well. And I'm also occasionally combing my hair with this, plastic comb. I'm not using a wooden comb right here because I don't want oils to get in my wooden comb. And then just put the oil into your roots and massage it really well for however long you want. I did it for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then when you're done, just put it all up and then just chill. Like, leave it on your hair for at least an hour. Okay guys, let me go through the ingredient list of this oil for you guys. I was shocked when I read the ingredient list for the first time because there's just a lot of goodness in this one single bottle. And yeah, let me just read this for you guys. So it has sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, sesame oil, rice bran oil, shea butter, argan oil. Argan oil is also known as liquid gold, which is beautiful. And it has olive oil, jojoba oil, onion seed oil, brazil nut seed oil, coffee seed oil, all of those oils. I mean, this could nourish your hair so well, and the presence of argan oil especially. And also I'm just so happy that this product doesn't contain any kind of mineral oils. So when you use a lot of hair oils, your hair just breaks, it gets so sticky and all of that stuff. But when I use this, my hair doesn't break, and this nourishes my hair pretty well because my hair is just extremely dry, and if I'm not gonna use a conditioner, it's gonna make it super frizzy and unmanageable. But this hair care range, it doesn't do that to my hair. Okay guys, so the next product is the Coffee Scalp Scrub. This is just for your scalp and not your hair. Okay, before we start talking about this product, let me tell you the importance of scrubbing. So it was the peak of lockdown. I was binge watching YouTube. That's when I came across a few videos of, you know, American YouTubers that spoke about scalp scrubbing and brands that need really good scalp scrubs and stuff like that. I was like, oh my god, no, it is not possible, because people in our country barely talk about scalp scrubbing, and there is barely any videos of, you know, scrubbing your scalp on YouTube. And we scrub our face, we exfoliate our body, but we don't realize that our scalp and our hair is exposed to the same amount of pollution and dirt our body and our face is exposed to. And it is really important to scrub your scalp and to get rid of all of that dirt and whatever you have on your scalp. Even if you have dandruff, scalp scrubbing can really benefit you.
On your third or fourth day hair, just try scrubbing your scalp with a toothbrush or like a comb like this. You'll find these dry flakes. This is not dandruff, this is just all the deposits due to pollution and everything else. So talking about dandruff, the scalp scrub also claims to reduce 99% of the dandruff causing microbes.
So yeah, this scalp scrub was the main reason I was excited about using this whole hair care range. And god, it smells really good. It smells like a cafe, or like the first hit of coffee when you enter a cafe. It's beautiful, and my whole room starts smelling like coffee once I'm done with the whole, you know, routine hair wash and all that. So if not for anything, I would literally buy the scalp scrub from M Caffeine and the body scrub from M Caffeine just for the fragrance. I mean, I'm not a fan of coffee or chai, but like the smell of coffee is super therapeutic, especially in this one. I even feel like coffee oil can help people with anxiety. It's beautiful. So yeah, like I said, you guys must scrub your scalp. There's just a lot of pollution these days to ignore all of that. So make sure you scrub your scalp, or you cover your head all the time. That's almost impossible. So like, yeah, make sure you scrub your scalp all the time. So this scrub has coffee powder and a natural AHA, which is amazing to exfoliate your scalp. AHAs are really good for skin as well, so I'm assuming it is a great ingredient to have in, you know, an exfoliator or like a scrub. So this scrub will help you get rid of all of your dandruff and to remove all of that dirt from your scalp, and it'll keep it nice and clean. I don't know if it is just me, but my scalp feels light after I'm done using this product. Like, I don't know, but yeah, it totally does. I really love this product. Also, it doesn't get messy because the product itself has like this jelly like consistency. It doesn't get all over the place. It foams a little bit, so it'll get most of the oils off of your scalp. You don't have to worry about your scalp feeling oily after you're done with the shower. So yeah, this really helped with my personal issue, which is oily scalp and dry hair. You're not supposed to use this all over your hair, it's just for the scalp.
So this is how the scalp scrub looks up close, and it also comes with a wooden spoon, which makes it super easy to take it out of the jar without making a mess, and also it's really hygienic that way. So take a little bit of it, 1 or 2 spoons will be enough for your whole scalp, and massage it into your scalp. And also, to ensure that the scalp is calm and soothing, it has rosemary in it. It also heals any kind of inflammation in the scalp. So scrub for like 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off with plain water.
So yeah, this is like my favorite product from the hair care range. I will always continue using this. Okay, so the last product is the coffee shampoo from the same range. Again, this product smells really good. So yeah, this has more like a sweet fragrance compared to those two products. And also the shampoo contains coffee extract and a lot of oils that the oil itself had. Like it contains onion seed oil, coconut oil, argan oil and everything. So yeah, beautiful. Along with all of these oils, the shampoo also contains a lot of proteins. Like it has corn protein, wheat protein and all that. There's just a lot of good ingredients in this product, so you don't have to worry about hair fall when you use this shampoo, obviously. And so the coffee extract present in it will help you control your hair fall. So yeah, again, a really good product. The way you use it is just pretty gentle. Take a little bit of it on your palms and massage it into your scalp and also on your hair. So I would say, instead of just using this as a product that would wash off the oils off of your hair, take this in your hands and like really massage it with your fingertips into your scalp. Like really scrub your scalp as well with this product, so that all of the ingredients in this really benefits you. So yeah, just like make use of all of the ingredients present in this shampoo. Just don't let it all go to the drain. So yeah, so usually when I start using new shampoos, my hair falls a lot and also my hair gets extremely dry and frizzy. But when I use this shampoo, none of that happened. Like my hair was fine. I mean, I could go without a conditioner. After using these products for 2 weeks, I would definitely recommend you guys to buy these products. Check this out, especially the scalp scrub. I am a huge fan of that scalp scrub. Really nice. And I will attach all of the links to the products that I showed you in this video in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching a review video on my channel. And if you guys want me to review any other products from MCaffeine, let me know that as well in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.